Micah and Joel each have a set of 5 rational numbers. Those are numbers that are positive or negative, whole numbers, decimals, or fractions. Although their sets are not the same, their sets have absolute values that are the same. So we get to come up with an example. There are so many different correct answers to this problem, but I'm going to show you one just so you have an idea of what we're looking for here. So Micah could have a number like 1.2, negative 3.4, 7, negative 10, negative 1.25. So if I were to put these in order, negative 10 is my smallest number. Then I have negative 3.4, negative 1/4, 1.2, and 7. Joel might have numbers like negative 1.2, 3.4, 7, negative 10, and negative 1/4. And if I were to put these in order, my smallest number is negative 10, then negative 1.2, negative 1/4, positive 3.4, and 7. So you can see their original numbers do not have the same order. Now let's take a look at their absolute values. The absolute value of negative 10 is 10 because it is 10 away from 0. The absolute value of negative 3.4 is 3.4 because it is 3.4 away from 0. The absolute value of negative 1/4 is 1/4. We have 1.2 and 7. Down here, the absolute value of negative 10 is positive 10 because it is 10 away from 0. The absolute value of negative 1.2 is 1.2. The absolute value of negative 1/4 is 1/4. The absolute value of 3.4 is 3.4. And then we have 7. So now I'm going to put the absolute values in order. Here, 1/4 is my smallest, then 1.2, 3.4, 7, and 10. Down here, my smallest is 1/4, then 1.2, 3.4, 7, and finally 10. So although I started with numbers that were not the same and were not in the same order, once I took their absolute values and put those in order, they have the same order in the absolute values.